What's going on, backyard bassman fans? All right, so today I attempted to go fishing. The weather here in Missouri has just been kind of up and down. We had last week, we hit days that were in the 80s. I mean, it was great weather. About Thursday hit, I guess it was, somewhere around there. We had some big storms come through, or Wednesday, whatever day it was. Had some really big storms come through, and a cold front came through. We went from like in the 80s to almost down to, I think it was like 34 yesterday morning. This morning we got up, I think it was like 41 or 42. So cold front really set in. I do have some fishing footage. I don't have any catches on there. The fish today, I did find a couple of groups that were actually back out off the bank quite a bit. I was finding them anywhere from about 12 to 16 foot of water. I did find some in a creek channel that was going up through the middle of the lake. Threw a 6XD in there, I threw a jig in there. I just could not get anything to bite. Ended up going back up towards the bank a little bit, fished a little bit steeper bank that I thought maybe, you know, they were getting down at about that 8 to 10 foot mark. I did see a couple in there, but just couldn't get anything to bite. What I ended up doing was going through, started flipping some brush piles, some stuff like that. I did get bit about 4 times, but it was almost like they were on beds. They'd pick it up and immediately spit it out. I just couldn't get a hook in them. So like I said, I did get the footage on it. I'll put it on here, and I'll put it kind of like a time-lapse deal, you know, so you guys don't have to sit there and wait for everything. I'll just put it on real fast and you guys can enjoy the music and everything else. And we will see everybody again on Monday night for the live stream, which we will be doing this week, and we hope to see you there. Make sure you have any questions about the spawn coming up, water temperatures, water clarity, anything like that. We'd be more than happy to answer it, and we'll see you guys then. Thanks.